my god, I got the bag, literally. I got the bag. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Charmaine and today's video is such a fun one because, oh hold on girl, I create lifestyle, fashion, travel videos with a sprinkle of luxury, beauty, everything, basically my life, okay? But yeah, I'm so excited today guys because it is my birthday unboxing right here, right, like, oh my god, I got the bag, literally. I got the bag. So in my last handbag video I said I wanted a Dior bag. I said I wanted a vintage bag, and guess what I got? A Dior vintage bag. Yeah girl, I'm excited. I don't really know if it's vintage. It's vintage to me. Then again, the girl was like, no, that's not vintage, that's not vintage. It's not being produced right now, so it's vintage to me, okay? But yes, I think we just need to open it guys. We just need to open it so we can see, okay? I don't even have a knife or anything like that. I literally have my keys. But we're gonna open it right now because I could not wait. Yeah, I have literally, should I open it this way so you guys can see it as well? It's opening, it is literally opening my birthday present. This is so noisy. There is nothing aesthetic about this video. Ugh. There really is nothing aesthetic about this. Oh my god, okay. I don't even know which way it is. Okay, I think it's this way. I haven't opened it, I promise. I literally withheld and kept myself from opening my own birthday present just so that I could do it with you. Like, oh, love you down. Anyway, dun, dun. Oh my days. Ooh. Okay. I just see wrapping. Okay. Here's the confirmation. Blah blah blah. I can feel it. Oh, this is the right way. Okay. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh god. I already told you what it was. Well, I told you it's Dior. What it looks like, you don't know. So let's open. I'm really trying to contain myself, but I can't. Okay, let's go. I got a DIOR bag. Oh, fuck. This is even nicer in real life. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. This is... oh my god. Like... isn't this just absolutely gorgeous? Look. Oh, I'm so happy. Look at this. Oh, guys. Guys. But look at the bottom. I absolutely love her. Like, isn't she just gorgeous? So she is a, hold on, there's a strap. Get the strap. Oh my god. What's this in here? Oh, okay. Whatever this is. Oh, this is stunning. Wow, okay. So there's a strap as well, and I didn't know that. So each individual bit of the strap has like a CD. Can you see that? I don't know if it's zoomed in enough, babes. Wow. Clearly there's not going to be a TikTok unboxing because we just unboxed it all here. Okay. Oh, look at the chain strap. And this is functional, practical, because where this goes on your shoulder, do you know how annoying it would be if it was metal? Oh no, no thanks. So that is handy, but it's got a chain strap. It's got, oh my god, guys, this is, I can't stop saying it's stunning because it is so stunning. And I'm absolutely in love. I don't know what I'm gonna wear, but I am gonna wear it. So it is the Lady Dior in the mini size. This is a two-tone, silver and gold. Like, just look at that. So it's silver on the thingy, gold, jingle jangles, hey! And then it's got gold feet at the bottom. Again, a gold chain. But the silver on here, 10 out of 10, because that is practical and it's in gorgeous condition, like gorgeous. Look at that. I'm actually obsessed, like obsessed. I'm in love, I'm obsessed. It's everything and then some. This is a 2018 Dior bag, so that's what I was saying. Is it vintage? I don't know, child. But all I know is it's not being produced in 2026 right now. So it's vintage to me. And actually, something very interesting about this one is that, you see how the Dior, like the letters, they're a bit skinnier. So the creative director at the time, they had changed like the logos for Dior at the time. So now you see it's in the bigger, fatter writing. But in 2018, a lot of the logo had changed to this. So like the belts, all the jingle jangles, the keychains and all the Dior bags, they had changed for that year as well. But yeah, I cannot wait to wear this bag. I genuinely feel like it's the new addition to my collection, a new addition to my baby. This is my new baby and I will be wearing her. I don't know what I'm going to wear it with, but this is the other thing as well. So why I chose a two-tone bag. I thought, I love silver, I love gold. I feel like grey complements my skin, as you can see, okay? And silver, I feel like it does the same thing. It works, you know? And recently I also got some jewelry. So the ones I've got on now, I normally wear it with a watch as well, but you see this bracelet, and this ring, these are also two-tone. So I've got a two-tone thing going on, but these are from David Yurman. I got them when I was in America, these two, and yeah, absolutely stunning. And I will be wearing this. Like I said, I got the two-tone because I feel like it will be more practical for me. Now let's talk about the bag and the story and how I got it. So initially, I just wanted a silver Lady Dior bag. Whatever that is, however it comes, potato, give me the bag, okay? But I was like, I don't want, like, in the is it Carnegie? I think it's Carnegie or Carnage something. Basically, the normal Dior print with the box. I didn't want that. But then I was looking at the Lady Dior mini. I still wanted the mini size, so I knew I wanted a mini size. I didn't want any other size because it's silver. It's like, ooh, a bit of pizzazz, a bit of pop, you know? Then I was looking at the diorama. Again, that was sold years ago, but the diorama, I was looking at that and I was like, it wasn't doing anything to me. It wasn't singing to me at all. Like the diorama, like, again, it's the box. It's a small Carnegie thing. It's the small boxes, basically, essentially, but they weren't hitting. They wasn't doing anything. It wasn't hitting. It didn't feel like, I really want this. Didn't feel like that at all. Then a couple of years ago, guess what I saw? The lizard silver Lady Dior. Yeah. Just look at it and gasp, because that is exactly how I felt. I literally woke up the next day and it was gone, and I was heartbroken because that bag was stunning. Anyway, biggest regret of my, I don't regret nothing, but in the fashion world, I do regret not buying that bag, because that literally, oh, my heart broke, because it literally sold out the next day. Like, I saw it, next day, gone. Then let it go. A couple of years later, still looking for that bag, could not find that bag anywhere. But again, it was still on my radar, still on my if I see it, I see it and I buy it. At a good price though, because again, so with the lizard print and all, when it's got prints, when it's vintage, or it's got like, so Dior, they do crazy gorgeous bags, and they're very like artistic, and it doesn't just look like plain normal bags, especially when you like get to the other collection. Not the one again with the Carnegie print, like the normal Dior print, it's not that. It's when, again, I'll show you some pictures, but Dior just does, it's like a canvas literally, and they've got different collections. I saw it when I went to Doha. They've got different collections of what the bags will look like over the different years, and they get like different artists to work with the designers in Dior, and then they create the print, and then, it's just stunning, absolutely stunning. So I love Dior for that, because it's creative, it's fun, it's artistic, like it's tapping into all the things that are me, you know, all the things that I love. So there's that. But again, in silver, that's pretty hard to find, apart from, like I said, the lizard one that I saw. But the cons for that as well was that it would peel really easily, especially if you're buying it pre-loved and somebody else has used it. I didn't want that. I don't want that hassle. I want to wear this bag when I'm going out. Like, I don't want to be worrying, oh my god, is this gonna break? Don't want that. So the other day, just, you know, scrolling the web as I do, I saw this baby, and I said, why the heck did I not think of that? Duh, silver with the two-tone, because it matches my whole stack that I'm trying to build, you know. So I've also got a two-tone watch, so when I wear, like, that's what I want. I'm like, do you know what, I'm going to, it just made perfect sense. And then I clicked that little checkout button, and it's here right in time for my birthday. So I am so excited. Like I said, I need to base my whole birthday outfit around this bag, and I'm gonna wear it with my silver Tom Fords and my jewelry, girl, that you can't even see my jewelry. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm really happy I got this bag, and let's see what other bags I get this year. But yes, this is her, this is my baby, and this is my birthday present this year. Yes, so if you like that video, I was just yapping, chit-chatting with you. But I love bags, and I'm so excited. So we will see what else I get this year, or if I don't get nothing else this year, we'll see. But we'll still talk about all the fashions, all the bags, and everything else in between. So yeah, see you later. Bye, beautiful. Here's the bag. Here's the bag. Bye.